Kwarganiro mwanchu nya ni kia Ndizi TV Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mubasa Mwanchu mulgerelia ne aliganire kurugega se studio agaren koletera Amangana Amayia Chinsa Chinsa Isano na Ibere karoreri tukolia Ijuma tariki na 22 omutenyi no yokane omwaka bwechiri wibere na 22 litukeligo mwanchu mulgerelia ense ya Kenya ngima mbirerere amono moichano monene magega yokomosiria omorai bwense ugatato omoske nyagosira Emilio Stanel Mwai Kibaki oyo Jacoba kago siria obogima bwaye amangana ayo nigayene kiwe no morai bwense omoske Uhuru Kenyatta ime ya magacho ye nyumba yoborai gose State House ime yomochie o Nairobi abo gati yabaraya bange banyarekoba bagotuma amagombabo gati yabo no morai bwekiama kya UDA oyoro mokonyi bo morai bwense William Ruto oyotumira magombaye na komotogia nyagosira Mwai Kibaki buna omorai bwancheta magenderero na inde bwanchete oborai obotoereru nigo nyagosira anyartkobaga kuiborwa omwaka bweri bwaye mochimikianda 30 noyomo wikabono nigasiruboro obogima bwaye kabwate emyaka 90 amo noyomo inyora na anyartkobaga koba omokonyi bwomorai bwense okabere asense ito ya Kenya asegeka kimyaka 10 kuri omwaka bweri bwaye mochimikianda 52 na isato wiko mwaka weliwe ya mochimikianda 53 abairi nabasani na abana baye buna Jimmy Kibaki Wangui Kibaki Tony Kibaki na baigo David Kibaki ntoliko mweba Judy Kibaki nigo banyariko abakoegwa magombo na koegwa engora yabo asoko mosiria tatu mwabo oyoro murai bwense olengo murai bwense ugatato wense yaito ya Kenya oyuire toburai chakero mwaka bwechiri bwibere na Ibere wiko mwaka bwechiri bu Ibere na 13 nigotogoto mama gomba bene ekerobone nse egendretagwa kwa nobokendu wokomosiria omurayo yumukoro bwense nabakogendera gutubwatia ase mitandao yaito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News kwira nande banasegekeke kumenyenga na aralia yagendera togokoreka ase liroba lyaito lyause Njeni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita oyo koligia ekerogo kyobo women rep ase county ya Kisii omosubati Doris Donya Toto wetera ase kiama kia waipa osongwanchu moligerelia tigancha kere oroboti korwase omorai bwense omoske Uhuru Kenyatta buna agendera kumanya balikia mangana igoro yogo kwa nyagosira omorayo gatato bwense ya Kenya Mwai Kibaki oyo nyartkoba gosiria obugima bwaye lituko ligoro Uhuru niganyartkoba komotogia Kibaki buno morai onyartkoba koreta magendera mange asense ito ya Kenya na kwenekya buna ebirango bya uchumi nigo byarenge bya naboigo nigatagetoborai boroboto eraru botabwati segi chinde chonsi tigatora mategerera omorai bwense moske Uhuru Kenyatta.
As we mourn the passing of an icon, we can rejoice in the lifelong companionship he enjoyed with his now departed wife, Her Excellency Mama Lucy Kibaki, and his extended family. Today, our sincere sympathy to his children, Judy Wanjiko, Jimmy Kibaki, David Kagi, and Tony Githinji, and to their families, and for all who mourn the passing of this great leader. As the late former president served Kenya Africa, and the world, he also remained a deeply devoted family man, an avid golfer, and an earnest friend to many. To them we say that while Emilio Mwai Kibaki is no longer with us in body, his spirit, legacy, values, and ideals live on in each one of us and in the limitless ways that he made Kenya immeasurable.
Tinga kiechecho mwancho muligereria omokonyi bomurai bwense omoske William Ruto nere boigoni gatumire ngora ya bene uchiase ya mate ya nyagosira omurai gatatu bwense ya Kenya Mwai Kibaki abwasa matogire boigo buna Kibaki no murai bwanchete amagenderero ande bwanchete obwa matobya gati ya bantu bonsi.
Behalf of the Kenya Kwanza team, my brother Musalia, my brother Weta, Malala, Khalwale, and all the leaders who are here. From this forum, where we are discussing the economy of our country, we pay tribute to our third president, President Mwai Kibaki, an outstanding economist, a man who has distinguished himself with a great legacy that he has left behind. An accomplished Kenyan, a man who we all respect as our third president, a person almost all of us here worked with as his ministers. Today, as Kenya, we have lost a great son of our country and a great leader.
Kerongo irana goikase kaunti ya Kisii mwancho muligereria omosuba Donya Toto oyokoliye kirego kyobo women rep ase kaunti ya Kisii wethera se kiama bono nigamo Simba Arati oyokoliye bo governor e kaunti ya Kisii abwasa ene kirego cha komosira Simba na kwene kyabuna obeiro mo governor ase kaunti ya Kisii tinga kiechecho musubati Donya nigaboletia abamenyi koro ase kaunti ya Kisii komosira boigo ase ganga ya yokoliye kirego kyobo women rep abwasa tebirago cha kwene kya magenderero amo na monchorelia mange.
Naomba Mungu Simba akiwa governor, jameni Kisii town tusikose maji. Kisii town tusikose watu wa kucollect rubbish. Na Kisii town ikiwezekana tuombe Mungu usiku naona wasichana wetu wanatembea sana. Ipo siku. If we have good governance, we will not have our girls loitering at night. I'm telling you the truth. Ipo siku, and we should never judge them. We should not. Kisii County kwa idadi ya Mungu na washukuru sana, na tena tuko na Senator Richard Onyonka. Wapi shamba ya Richard Onyonka? Na mwisho, Mungu awabariki, mukipanda chakula kwa shamba mvune kwa wingi, watoto wasome kwa bidii, na tena mahali popote ambapo mnaenda Mungu awe na nyinyi. Ya mono
mwancho muligereria tigatora enda goika asa magacho a KICC ime yomocho Nairobi abwaso moraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nera gendrete gukwana igoro yogo kwa kumurayo gatatu bwense omoske Mwai Kibaki igoro nga kingani yo yanyariko bakigwikira abakenya tigatora tegerera nere nararia bwate igoro yengani yo.
We thank Mr. Ngatia for the generosity he has shown and a sense of patriotism in stepping down and agreeing to support this team that you have unveiled today. We also are going to have candidates in all the 17 constituencies in the city of Nairobi. They have been nominated by the respective political parties, and we are going to campaign as a team in all the constituencies. Then We also agreed that the Speaker of the Nairobi County Assembly, once it is constituted, will come from ODM party. With that, ODM in Nairobi is now ready for the task. We have handed over the baton to this team here in Nairobi. This is Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Team Nairobi. And we are sure that they will bring deep victory to our party. With those few remarks, you say Azimio, 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 Azimio. I would now like to ask my colleague, Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, to pay his tribute to our departed president.
Thank you, sir. I thank our team leader, Brother Raila Amolo Odinga, for his show of leadership even this morning. But it is when we were having those discussions that His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta broke the news to the nation about the passing on of Mzee Kibaki. Mzee Kibaki is an iconic father figure in this nation. I had the singular privilege of serving a full 5 years as his vice president. And I can tell you, there are very few leaders, even within the African continent, with a spirit of selflessness and singular sense of purpose and service to his people, more than Mwai Kibaki. So as we mourn him, of course you have to remember moments when he would get this nation laughing. That was indeed Mwai Kibaki. He would use language that younger Kenyans would not be allowed to use. And we'd all go laughing. I can tell you that when my brother Raila at Uhuru Park in 2002 put a question to the mammoth congregation at Uhuru Park, which eventually the crowd and Kenyans became engulfed in the spirit of the merger between Rainbow, LDP, NAK of President Kibaki, and he asked a question, Siana Tosha. And that has also become a very historic statement, that we all knew Kibaki alitosha. That is the gentleman and the leader we are mourning today. So all of us joined President Uhuru Kenyatta in the first place as the fourth president. Now he has lost the founding president, the second president Mzee Moi, and now the third president. You can then feel the weight, because normally he would obviously refer to Mzee Kibaki for weighty consultation, because that's the nature of African leadership. And President Kibaki was never referred to as former President Kibaki. He was President Kibaki. My brother here is the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga, and our presumptive president, the fifth president. So I want to wish President Uhuru Kenyatta God's speed and strength on behalf of all of us as we mourn our leader, President Kibaki. My brother will leave shortly for the United States of America. We had even to agonize on whether he should make this trip or not, and we felt the rest of us who are alive must continue with the task, immediate task that is ahead of us. So we send our brother Raila Odinga on his mission to the United States of America with our full blessings, even as I'm sure you'll be mourning Mzee Kibaki as he travels. Him and his delegation, we wish you Godspeed. Kenyans, poleni sana kumpoteza Mzee Kibaki wakati kama huu ni kama kusema kweli zote tunajisikia kwamba tuko yatima. Tungekuwa hata tukielekea uchaguzi ujao, mzee Kibaki angalau angekuwa nasi, wakati mwingine tungemshauri, tungeuliza ushauri wake. Vile tulisema wakati ule unbwageable nation, that time tulikosema kwamba Kibaki anatosha. Vivyo hivyo tunasema ndugu yetu Raila anatosha, wakati tukimwaga mzee Kibaki, kwa sababu yeye alichangia pakubwa na huo msimamo.
Mwancho murigereria oyono murai kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga amono murai kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka barura magombabo maega yoko musiri murai gatatu bwense ya Kenya Mwai Kibaki asichinga kiecho barenga samagacha ywa KICC memocho Nairobi iligocha kurigereria ngana kyuburai asekirgo kyubo governor wethera kiama kia ODM kera nyare ko bakia bogo koreka ase county ya Nairobi nigo bamachorire Paul Cup Igade acheko irurukia bandera yobo mabwa Azimio la Umoja amono mokonyo yabono nigagucha kwa Professor Kaloki ayomona yanda mange tukwareganirie Asamangana Amayia Chinsa chikobwatia karotokira na wikase county ito ya Kisii nigobono oyokoliye kirgo kyobo governor county yo Simbarati gwetera kiama kia ODM nigagokeire okwegwa certificate ya ye kiama kia ODM no morai wiki amekyo Raila Odinga oyo nyariko baga konyole certificate jo amatukomake ayetire abo ase anyariko bakagote babuna na ari no mogoko monene nande namanyetenga na chekuikirania amaganio yabamenyi be county ya Kisii na komochia bali banyariko bagokwana mangana mange mamincha yaye
mwai wachi story chinyenge Simba tarikonyora certificate mwai wa manganayi Simba tachiete skuru mwai wa manganayi tete kwa tebewa family mpaka igoro chinguru chirichiege sunte nchiata gete toe gu certificate lakini asoko boko kwenye saa igoro na etwe certificate ya ODM Kitoko irana toje totengega ekira toshirikia pamoja ezo bya gatatu tetu kwana abangi na bekiro mumanye tebya na abaronega na promise tikwana na amabuli ayikire ninchenya na negwika kitariki 10
Korengana nomurayo yo Simbarati nigatebire county ya Kisii nigebwate birengo ebinene byobotaka kubwatekana nabaraya bakurume abo kuruma chibesa babeka semebuko yabo na gutiga kokora amagenderero ali bachoreretwe ase birogo ao nigo baigo alireira yo gocha gwikirania maya gocha saba menyi be county ya Kisii abo asaba bolire komosira na kwenekya buna obeiro mubwi asobo cholyo bonene buli busyo
dada zangu ambao mnaishi hapa, umasikini ni kitu kibaya sana. Umasikini unakufanya unakuwa mjinga katika barabara, unakutoa nguo. Umasikini unakufanya ukuwe mgonjwa. Hii hospitali inaitwa level 6 KTRH Referral Hospital. Leo hii tunaongea ICU hakuna, imekufa. Leo hii uwezi wekewa oxygen katika hospitali ile. Nilikutana na madaktari wakaniambia, mheshimiwa, leo hii ukigonjeka hakuna kitu kinaitwa teaching and referral hospital, imekufa. Theater zote za operation moja pekee yake ndio inafanyika.
Chinga checho oyokoliganere kirugo kyobo senator ase county ya Kisii Richard Mumaima Onyonka nigabolira bamenyi kurwe county yo kubabwatesia aso kubakera chikura ilikwene kyabuna ere amona simba babeire ababwe aso bacholi bolibosyo abwase nonya nabo amubolire simba bunatabasa kweba asarure chingaki aguchakoira ekirugo kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii.
Simbo mwana bwarati tutwara machole aje koiba kirege ntukurumugondo. Simbo mwana bwarati omaje gokogenda kira rogorogo chikobwata chinswe kwa bekire mechege obegeta macha gotirimboka gocha matekera no bwata magaga naki nechingiti. Sindo mwana bwarati osikabantaba egasiane buna mumoima nindende mbeo basaitobisa Kisii ngo iketwara mache ngo ikenya gitali twara maliogo abantu bari bakogenda nyagitali bakana shiringi 10 nganali baratumie cho simba orusie bitebyo. Simbo mwana bwarati oturiti monda buno mugaka bwa masikani tomo urachinorijera tolwana ine. Simbo mwana bwarati olika abana babantu abatakachi
Nara yu asabano mwanchu muligeria kulende tumerana ende chikoraga Chinsa ikomi chabano maragoba njigo kumanya yu amano yanda mange asenchera yu bwenge ngo wakera ngambi yamano asoko ire biro bya okuligeria Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chinga keche chabano mwanchu muligeria egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ngati ye bitaseni biribya chorirwe ne kyombe kyobarani bwa Amangana Communication Authority of Kenya egere binyare ko babigwakirwe kura ngangetaseni ki yekolete merobeli elibwanchete asomono lia okweigwa Ndizi TV na kiekemo kiabo nelio gotobeka seli bagali tangani utwakira ekura yao asokolikelie takuza na kolitoma gocha senamba eyemo isano nemo enoti eyemo inyoranga eliukelio nigo kolitoma bosa tuligwakanira kende gyonsi egero nyaro ko bakogotuma na gotwali baga litangani inyora ogwake kuranko genderete wikachitalikisano na isato chomotienyi okubwatia inyoranga ekero twabeira babui korwa Ndizi TV igogusi yonsi twabeira babui tobaisa gusuka korwa Ndizi TV na bobwansu bomugusi tumerana chikoraga Chinsa ikomi biamono producer nenere John Kibati amona Brighton Makoli Janet Nyamwamu abalegani bamangana yega Amayia nche nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi on Twitter.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi omuligereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV bono na bukura ry'ubuncho lya bwaho ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichi